Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to get started with Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant that helps you write research, summarize, create content, analyze data and automate everyday tasks across Microsoft's products. It works on Windows, web, Microsoft 365, apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and Teams. Step number 1 to have it is to get the access to the Copilot. You can start using Copilot by simply opening the application, clicking here on chat, and going to compare plans. Here you will be able to actually buy a plan and upgrade your plan to the premium version of Microsoft. And this literally will get you the access to the Copilot, which is the AI. So this is the first thing. Now, Copilot comes with any one of these three plans: the personal, the family, and the premium. Personally, if you were going to use it alone, then you could get the personal. It's only $9 or $8. For the family one, it's $10 for 6 people, and the premium is basically $18 for AI power users. This is per month. You can switch it to yearly and see the difference. In here, you will get some extra stuff, benefits such as a cloud server for 1 terabyte of storage and a lot of other things. So these are things that are pretty cool. Now, what do we do with it exactly? Here, I bought it. Okay, what's next? Well, you can use it literally on all the Word and Excel and PowerPoint project that you have. For example, let's say that you were writing an article here in Word. In this situation here, you would need to use ChatGPT, for example, to use Cloud to help you out to generate text, etc. But no need for that anymore. You can literally just use Copilot and the AI itself is gonna generate the text inside Word automatically. So yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching. See you guys next upcoming video.